I'm Bob Bush from Dayton, Ohio, and this is my airplane. It's 5 years old. It probably has, I'd say 200 to 300 flights on it. It's a Bob Violet F100 D model. For those of you that like the two-seat version, he has an F model available too. The airplane is painted with Bob Violet's paint, and the hot section's done with his hot section colors. It weighs, ready to fly, 42 pounds. It weighs about 35 pounds empty. It's powered with a Pegasus SP engine, and other than that, it's pretty much standard construction. I did make one change though. I made my flaps work on an air over oil or hydraulic air principle, so I've got infinite flap settings wherever I want to go, and I don't have to use two servos, and I don't have to worry about a split flap condition. Cheated death again.
Yeah.
Did you get that landing?
Absolutely.
God, that was like the best.
How'd it fly?
That is a
great. It flew great. Too many airplanes up though. I got a little nervous and I had to land. There's about 6, I think. Weren't there, Dennis?
Yeah, 6 airplanes.
Yeah.
That was busy.
Looking good though.
And the way the sun is today, that color, that gray color with the sun on it, a couple of times I lost it out there, so I had to start flying it in a lot closer.
Good job.